welcome to Tech Time with KhY. Today we have the Beat Solo 4 Beat Studio Pro in Navy. Let's get into it. Unboxing the Beat Solo 4 White and Gold Edition. We have the wireless on-ear headphones with cables and case. Powerful balanced sound with spatial audio, up to 50-hour battery life, enhanced Apple and Android capabilities, and unlimited wired playback. Get the first reaction. Oh, that's so pretty! Beat Solo 4. Oh my goodness. I didn't even think about what color the case was going to be. I hope my makeup doesn't mess them up. I should have thought about that. First take. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and cut them on. I'm really excited. I think they're dead. Oh, they're on. That's unique. I say you don't need nobody else. Feels like you don't got me, so you feel like you've been. They have 34%, y'all. Beat Solo 4. I've been feeling kind of. Okay, let's play some music. I don't know if they're gonna give me the Apple Music free. I hope so, but let's find out. I hope so. Let's go to my QR code. Let's just go to YouTube to play a song. Since I don't have Apple Music at the moment, I gotta get it back. Alrighty, let's go to the settings and change it. I hope I'm not holding. We're gonna go to settings, scroll all the way down to apps, scroll or use your side bar to go to. And you're gonna go to EQ. You're gonna cut that on. And for me, I like to increase the bass. Okay, I love it. Seems like I do not have active noise cancellation. Yeah, the pros have active noise cancellation, but the solos doesn't. And I don't need much because everyone says I have rather small ears, and I would have to agree. But other than that, I really like them. Let's open it and I'll show y'all the cables that I have, which I definitely need, especially for traveling. Here's the audio jack. I don't need this, so I'm just gonna put that back. There's the cable. USB-C to USB-C to charge them up, which means I'll be charging them up soon. Let me take them off. I'm gonna have to be careful because I'm already getting makeup on them. So I'm just gonna wipe them off. See, look, so I'm gonna wipe them off with a warm cloth. But yes, y'all, yes, these are my Beat Solo 4. Happy tech season, and I've had the Beat Solo 3, which was a silver one, so I've always wanted a new pair of Beats anyway. And y'all stay tuned for the rest of the content that's coming May. I'm so excited for y'all to see. Stay tuned, and y'all have a great life. Bye.